This short video will demonstrate how to use Microsoft Team and access the channels created for the EDC retreat. When you access the Microsoft Team, you will see this bar on the left. By clicking on the Activity button, you will see a summary of all the activities that happened since the last time you visited the MS Teams. The Chat button will display the chat history and the new chat messages sent to you by any members. If you have been invited or added to one or more teams, you can find the teams from this button. A team will have at least one channel. The default channel is given the name, General. By pressing on these dots that are located beside the team name, you will able to access more features that can be added to your team. You can add a channel, add new members, etc. These features are only available when you are the host of the team. To add a new member, you need to type a part of the name, and the system will find him/her. You need to click the Add button to complete adding the new member. After the member is added, you can assign him/her a role. The default role is a member. As we said, the team is made of one or more channels. When you click on a particular channel, the content of the channel will be displayed here. By default, a channel will have 3 tabs. Conversation. The Conversation tab allows the members to discuss the topics of the channel. You can type a message here. If you want to enter more than one line and organize the text, then you need to click this icon. Now, you can use a format and features similar to word processing software. You also can attach files. The Conversation section allows you to join a video conference meeting by clicking this icon. There are many more features in the Conversation, such as linking YouTube content, adding new plugins, etc. Use the Conversation from time to time to discuss topics related to this channel. The second tab is Files. Here, you can create folders and upload any related or supporting documents. The last tab is Notes. The note is simply a OneNote page that your team can use to add their notes. I hope you found this video useful and you start exploring MS Teams.